In today's video, you're gonna learn how to freeze your rotisserie chicken whole and in pieces. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of how-to cooking videos and healthier family meals so you can get a meal on the table quickly. And using a rotisserie chicken is one great way to shave time in the kitchen. Today, I scored 3 rotisserie chickens, and I'm gonna be using one of them for dinner, but the other 2 I'm going to freeze. First, we're gonna shred this rotisserie chicken and freeze it. On another video, I shared how to remove it from the meat in half the time and shred it in under a minute, so make sure to check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera to save you some time. Now, whether it's shredded or in larger pieces, you'll want to freeze it in a freezer-safe bag. Once you have the chicken you want portion-wise in the bag, you're gonna remove the air, seal it, label it, and freeze it. It can stay in the freezer like that for up to 3 months. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them for you on my channel. If you're wondering if you can freeze a whole rotisserie chicken, the answer is yes. However, you'll want to make sure that it's cooled first. Then you can freeze it directly in the plastic container for up to 2 weeks. After that, the chicken is gonna begin to lose moisture since it's not very airtight, and you'll have dry chicken when you decide to use it. You can also use a larger 2-gallon freezer bag to freeze the whole chicken for up to a month. One important thing is that when you thaw and heat up the frozen cooked chicken, you add liquid at the bottom of the baking dish if you're heating it up in the oven or the microwave, or on the bottom of your slow cooker. The cold temperatures in the freezer are gonna remove that moisture over time, so you want to add it back in during the heating process. Now, if using rotisserie chicken in recipes is your thing, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. This video is part of a rotisserie chicken series, so no matter when you find this video, check the links below. I'll have recipes and shortcuts for you in the description. See you next time.